154 open G. We've been doing this open G thing, and the thing that's really that opens your eyes is the fact that the open G is an A slid back a whole step. So 5, 1, 3 in G. Then if you add the open old school G chord, you see that you get a 1, 3, open 5, open 1, open 3. So that open 5, 1, 3 chord, if you go up a whole step from the 5, you get a 6. Up from the 1, you get a 2. Up from the 3, you get a 4, but it's a half step. You play those together, that's an A minor. So there's D, open G is an A minor because G is a 1, A is a 2, it's a minor, so is the 3 a minor. So open G, A minor, B minor, all in the key of G. That's why it sounds good together. There's a 4, 3, 2, 1. So back to the G in this 154 song we've been doing. It's a bar of 1, a bar of 5, and 2 bars of 4. The C major chord. So what I like to do is on the second bar of 4, because we're going a bar of 1, a bar of 5, and 2 bars of 4. On the second bar of 4, do some open G, like, so we go. Okay, so there's something, a new thing. So looking at the G major scale, in G major, if you're on the 1, the G, the 2 notes adjacent to it that are allowed are the major 7 or the 2. So if we want to take it back another step, 1, 7, open is 6. Let's look at the next string. So this is the 5 of G, whole step to 4, half step to 3. So there's the B string and the E string. Notice how they switch. Here's the 7 and the 4 played against each other. So if you wanted to do a melodic trick, so that tricky little thing is a 7, 4, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. it sounds complicated and it's a little tricky at first, but you do it and try really hard for 20 minutes or half an hour, take a break, come back and do it again. See, what it is unexpected notes, 7, 4, 6. Right off the bat, you're using 3 notes that aren't in the chord, but they're in the scale. So then the other theme that we were doing was using just the G, B, E, A, D, G, B strings. So we got a 1, an F-shaped G. If you slide backwards, your ring stays the same, and you swap out your index and your middle. There's the 1, there's the 5, and of course, slide it back a whole step, you got the 4. So we got and then going up 1, 5, 4, using the A shape, or 1, 5, 4, back to the F-shaped C. You keep climbing. Here's a D-shaped G, A-shaped G. So we got here's a G up high, F-shaped G, D to C, up high. Down low. Way up high. So now look at the notes for the G. If you want to include the skinny one. Now, because that's the root chord, the notes, half step, the C is the same way, because it's got the major 7, the 1 and the 4 both have a major 7 for their 7. The 5 chord, you got to go to a flat 7. Listen to the major 7. It just really doesn't work, and it shouldn't. Your ear should tell you. So 1 gets a, 4 gets a, 5 gets a. And the reason that is that way is because every note has to be in the key of G. Every single one of the notes I'm playing is in the key of G. That's why they sound good together. C. So back to G. D. G. Sorry, C. Now I'm going to do a D-shaped G, D, C. There's another good trick that we've done before. The F-shaped G, the pinky's picking up the 2, the 6, and the 4. So you go. Just a little melodic trick that you can do with your pinky, because you're doing this F-shaped G and just using your 3 fingers, you got that pinky available. Every note in there's just a whole note chord tone. It'll work over the 4 chord. Anyway, rock on, dudes. Leaving Flathead Lake today, headed to Glacier Park. See ya.